Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to take a quick look at how to adjust the setting on your Dosatron unit. Now the principle for changing the setting on your Dosatron unit is the same across all of our units except for the D20S model. On each injection stem there will be two sets of scales. On this one we have ratio facing out. We also have percentage on the back side. To change the view of the reading on your scale, first locate the injection stem assembly nut. Loosen and pull down on the entire injection stem assembly. Once loose, rotate the entire injection stem assembly 180 degrees to show the other scale. Push back up on the entire injection stem assembly, making sure to align the tooth on the stem with the groove on the body. Once your desired scale is facing out, go ahead and reinstall the injection stem assembly nut and tighten it down hand tight. Now on this unit, you can see that we have percentage and ratio. On some of our hydro units, you may notice mils per gallon and teaspoons per gallon. Just make sure you have the right scale facing out for your needs. So, when adjusting the unit, we're going to want to first locate the locking nut at the bottom of the unit. The locking nut can be located by finding the nut that has the unlock-in-locked marking indicator on it. To change the reading on your injection stem assembly, turn the locking nut 90 degrees towards the unlocked symbol. Once you've done that, grab the adjustment sleeve and turn the adjustment sleeve to change the reading of your scale. Once your desired rate is reached, go ahead and turn the locking nut 90 degrees towards the lock symbol to lock the adjustment. To properly read the adjustment of your unit, look closely on the gray ring between the two indicators. This will help determine exactly where your unit is set. If you do have any questions, please give us a call today. And as always, thanks for watching.